morning. Sorry I'm late to the party on DQ2, but here is my pseudocode. So to walk you through it, you need to start by declaring your function or method, and then you need to iterate through each item in your array. So for item, I, index, whatever you want I to stand for. So for each item, from 0 to the length of the array, since we don't know how long this is, we want it to do the following. We want the minimum index to be I and the minimum value to be A to the I. And there's a swap that happens later, so that's why. So then we want to test it against the other elements after finding I to find the smallest. So we're going to take I, we're going to store it, and then we're going to look at all the other elements and see, we're going to compare them, right? And that's happening right here on line 10. So we're going to compare each item to see if it's smaller than the next one. So for J, so we're doing two things. We're going to iterate through. We're going to start with the first item, and we're going to run another pointer or loop, and we're going to go through the items and try to find one that's smaller than that and make it go first. So we're going to find a new minimum, and we're going to assign it to J, or A to the J, or A index J. And then we're going to end our if, we're going to end our for, and then we're going to swap those. And this is where the swap happens. So you need to swap AI with the smaller one that you found, which is going to be J, right? Because we have our 1, that's the first element, and we're trying to get the smallest element to go first. You're going to store your first element, so maybe that's 85. And then you've gone through and you found 75. So you can take 75 and you're going to swap it and you're going to insert it where your I used to be. You're going to take J and put it in where I is. So now the first element is 75 and 85 is still wherever the first one was. So then you're going to go through and you're going to do it all again, over and over and over again, until you have the smallest number first. So there it is.